Hi everyone, my name is Emil Hartoonian with the agency, and welcome to 25242 Prado del Grandioso behind the coveted gates at the Estates in Calabasas. So we are nearly 15,000 square feet of luxurious living space, 8 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, including a 1-bedroom guest house, detached on the beautiful grounds which measure nearly 1.2 acres. I would say this is a modern Mediterranean, but I'm gonna let you guys decide. Let's go start the tour. This entry is absolutely stunning. 40-foot ceilings, beautiful honed marble flooring, book matched to perfection. And when you look up, you see this magnificent lighting art piece. It's like water and air encapsulated in these beautiful ornaments for the rest of time. And from here, we enter into this gorgeous formal living room. A beautiful space where you can gather, enjoy the fireplace, enjoy the natural light, and be seen. And the focal point of this room is this fireplace with this floor-to-ceiling, custom stone, just an incredible piece of art. Welcome to this incredible family room. This family room entails custom finishing, floating cabinets, beautiful floating shelves with custom lighting underneath. And if you haven't noticed this pattern already, every room has been designed with a central focal wall. In this room, you've got a beautiful finish between warm natural tones and black modern sleek lines. Look at the amazing natural light that you have in this space. The windows are brand new custom sliders, floor to ceiling, which allow seamless transition between indoor and outdoor. And next door to this beautiful family room is this incredible kitchen. As we saw in the previous room, you've got a beautiful central focal point, the custom hood vent. The walls are all paneled with book match marble. Even the custom cabinetry showcase the marble that's built into the wall behind the cabinets. You have an incredible marble island kitchen, waterfall on both sides. And as you can see, this kitchen is magnificent and large enough to entertain all your guests. I can't help but mention one of my favorite features about this house, this immaculate floating staircase. Beautiful glass panels, black hardware, an incredible focal point to the center of the home as we head upstairs. At the top of these stairs, you've got my favorite bedroom, this incredible primary suite. It has the beautiful seating area, large-scale bedroom, wet bar with wine refrigerator, 2 massive walk-in closets, and this extended private terrace overlooking the beautiful grounds and this luxurious pool, which we should head to next. Once outside, you come across this incredible luxury resort. This beautiful pool, 60 feet long, a sunken fire pit seating area. And for those guests that won't leave, you've got this perfect 1-bedroom guest house. And to finish it all up with those amazing amenities, you've got a half-court basketball and a private putting green. This concludes our tour of the Manor at Grandioso. It's been a pleasure showing you guys. We'll see you at the next one.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?